Here are my results from the past 30 days using Deepseek. And here are some traffic results that I'm getting using Deepseek. You can see that many of my links are getting thousands and thousands of clicks. And that is translating into all of these commissions that you can see here on the screen. So Deepseek is actually helping me get all of this traffic, hundreds and hundreds of clicks. And that is translating into these commissions on various affiliate networks. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the entire plan that you need to know to hit $20,000 a month or more using Deepseek. It's going to cost you nothing to get started, and you can also do this from any country in the world. Alright, so the very first thing that I want to show you is how to find a niche which is profitable that can generate commissions for you. So you can use this method with any affiliate network. In this example video, I'm going to be using ClickBank because that's just where I personally promote my products. But just in case you don't want to use ClickBank, then you can use any affiliate network. For example, Digistore24 or literally any other affiliate network with the exact same steps that I'm going to show you. Once you're inside your affiliate network, or in our example, once you're inside ClickBank Marketplace, just go and look at all of the offers to review what offers you might want to promote. In general, I would say that you should pay attention to the gravity score, and you should go and promote anything that's got a gravity score of at least 20, because that means that at least 20 affiliates have made sales of this offer in the last couple of weeks. For the purposes of the video today, let's focus on this offer called Java Burn. So Java Burn is an offer of coffee that basically helps people feel better and lose weight. And you can see it's converting incredibly well. It means that for every sale that you refer, you can make $159. And the cool thing about promoting products on ClickBank is that it's very easy to get your affiliate link. You don't need approval or anything like that. You literally just click the promote button and then just use the hop link creator to create your link. You can see here at the bottom, it says my link, encrypted link. Okay, so you copy this link and all you need to do is just start sending traffic to this link, and anyone who buys via this link is going to generate a commission for you. Now, this link, of course, is quite long, so whenever you share it online in a message or just on your social media, it looks a little bit spammy. So let's shorten it. Let's make it look pretty. For this, you can use this app called Bitly. So just go and shorten your link. So here is the link that we're actually shortening. And here you can choose a custom back half. Now guys, this is 100% free, so you can use this service for free and keep trying these different custom back halves. I've gone through a few. The one that is not taken yet is 2025 Java Burn. If it's already been used, it'll tell you here. Okay, so we've got this. So let's just now click create your link, and we've now got this shortened link, which looks a lot better. It doesn't look spammy. So let's now click copy link. And let's just test it. We can paste it into our browser and see if it's working correctly. And yes, we can see that it's now working correctly. It's taking us to the sales page via our affiliate link. So now whenever someone watches this sales video and they make the purchase of the coffee, we're going to get paid this $159 commission. All right, guys, so now we know our niche. Our niche is going to be this fat burning coffee Java Burn that basically helps people get more energy and more vitality in their life. So now next, let's talk about the traffic platform where you can get a ton of traffic that's going to be interested in your offer. So this platform is threads.net. Maybe you have not used Threads before, but it is extremely powerful and it's just the easiest platform to get traffic on these days, especially if you're using AI, and I'm going to explain to you exactly why. So if you go onto threads.net and go into the search bar and just type in coffee, you can see some of the posts that are about coffee, and you can see how well they're doing. You can generally tell how well a post is doing by the number of comments that it has had. So you can see there is a post here that has had 5 comments. It's probably had thousands and thousands of views, and it's only been 30 minutes. Now, the other thing that you can take a look at is have a look at any of the profiles that seem to be about coffee and just see how they're structured. So we can see that this profile over here, your coffee dude, for example, okay, it's got 163,000 followers, and they're also promoting a link here in their bio. So anyone who is interested in their posts will be very likely to check out their profile and then click this link in their bio. So you'll want to go ahead and create your threads.net profile. And if you're like me and you're a bit lazy and you don't know exactly what to put into your profile, this is where we can start using Deepseek. Just jump into Deepseek, register your account. So first of all, we can ask Deepseek to help me come up with a profile handle for my threads.net account about coffee, something catchy and something short and related to coffee. Awesome. And just like that, Deepseek has given us these ideas about coffee related handles for threads. Okay, it's got Espresso Yo, Cup O'Clock, Mug Life, Brutal, Sip Squad. So you can use all of these when you register your account to come up with a really nice handle. Like here, this guy, for example, has called himself Your Coffee Dude. All right, and you can use one of these, Java Jolt, Poker Latte, Mug Life, etc. to create your own profile on Threads. Now let's ask Deepseek to come up with something like this. Just that 3-line description for our Threads profile. So now I'm going to say, great, thanks. Can you please now come up with a bio for this threads.net profile? I want 3 lines. The last line should be the call to action to get a special energizing brand of weight loss coffee. And here we go. We can see all the thought process behind Deepseek's reasoning, etc, etc, etc. But best of all, we've actually got our 3 lines of the bio description. We can enter these lines as the description. So let's now click done. Okay. And next we will want to customize the link. So the link is going to be our affiliate link because we want everybody who comes to check out our profile, we want them to click this link so that we can start making the sales of this product. So let's click here on the link. And this is where we're going to insert our bit.ly link. So let's click copy on that and then let's insert that here. And here we go. Just like that, we've got our profile updated and completed for threads.net. Okay, so of course you will have a different handle and a different name here, but I've just done it on my profile where you can see that we've got this description and we've got that link. So our goal now will be to post content that people will find and people will start following us, anyone who's interested in coffee and in losing weight and in the health benefits of coffee. And we'll want them to start clicking this link that we've got in the description. The awesome thing that I really love about Threads is that it's a little bit like Twitter. So you don't need to post long content. You don't need to post videos. You can literally just post content that has got a few lines, like 2 or 3 lines like this. And a lot of this content ends up going viral. Take a look at this. I mean, 22 comments on just this post that has got just a couple of lines. And you can use AI to create this content. This is actually what I've been doing in a couple of different niches and it's working extremely well. So guys, we've covered finding a niche, explaining the traffic platform, talking about profile setup. Now let's talk about how to actually create the content. We can use Deepseek to help us create the content as well, which is awesome. So let's tell it this. I'm going to say thanks. Now please create some posts for threads.net for me so that I can get traffic to my affiliate link promoting the Java Burn product. Now I've also told Deepseek that the sales page for Java Burn is just over here. Okay, so I've actually linked the sales page of Java Burn with all of the information so that Deepseek can analyze it and can use it in creating the posts. Then I'm saying that I would like you to create 20 posts for threads.net about Java Burn. Please make them short and snappy. I want categories of posts that are informative and funny. I want each of these posts to tell the people to click the link in my bio for more info because I want to drive traffic to this affiliate link. So I want people to actually come back and click this link in my description. And I'm actually going to say that in a few of the posts, please use this link to tell people to click it directly from the post. Because the awesome thing about Threads is that any links that you post, like this link here, they're clickable from right inside the actual post, which is different to, let's say, Instagram or Facebook, which is different to, for example, Instagram. On Instagram, none of the links are actually clickable, but Threads allows your viewers to actually click the link right from within the post. So let's now click generate, and Deepseek is going to go ahead and create all of these posts for you. All right, and look at this. They're pretty good actually. Under the funny posts, so we've got here, look at this. Me eats a donut, Java Burn whispers, I got you fam. Click the link in bio. That's pretty nice. I mean, for a social media post, this is pretty good. And what else have we got here? So I'd sell my soul for iced coffee, Java Burn, keep your soul, just tap the bio link. Okay, like that's pretty cool. That's pretty funny. Oh, that's a good one. Look at this, number 8. My coffee's new side hustle, burning calories. Java burn deserves a raise. Give it one. Bio, link, and then goes click below. So you can see that it's done actually a decent job. Of course, you can just ask it to regenerate, but you know, you're bound to get 1 or 2 that are pretty good, and then you can just keep regenerating until you find more that you really like. Now let's take a look at the information posts over here. So we've got chlorogenic acid plus L-theanine equals faster metabolism without jitters. Well, that's a nice bit of information that some people might find it useful. Okay, so you can copy and paste some of these. Like, look at this. Your coffee already wakes you up. Java burn makes it burn fat while you work, walk, or binge Netflix. Proof and bio. Okay, like this is something intriguing. This is something that might actually interest people, and you can absolutely use this. This is good enough. Now, there's another cool tool that I want to show you. It's called Buffer. So the domain for that is buffer.com, and they've got a free forever plan where you can schedule the posts. So you can basically use this free account and you can schedule the posts in advance so that you don't have to always go on and post these posts on your threads.net profile. You can actually just set up Buffer to schedule those posts for you in advance. So once you've registered your account, you can click here, connect channel, and then you can choose to connect your Threads profile. And once you've got that connected, you can go ahead and create your posting plan. And here you can choose how many posts you can post per day or you'd like to post per day. Threads is all about volume. So you can post, let's say 3 or 5 or even 10 posts per day. And here we can say that, yes, I want to post Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, so basically every day. And let's say you want to post 3 times a day, create a posting plan. All right, this has now created this posting plan for us. You can see that it's got 3 spots per day in the posting plan. And we just now need to fill out the queue. We need to give it all of these posts so that it can actually start posting. So go ahead and create a post. This is where we can just basically go here and copy and paste these into here. And it gives you a preview of how it's going to look on Threads. And after this, all you've got to do is literally just click add to queue, and then you can go ahead and create more and more posts. So once again, we're going to go here and click new post. And let's just take this one over here, come back over to Buffer and click here, add these to queue. Then we've got another one, add this to queue, and you will see what Buffer is basically doing. It's putting all of these posts into the queue for you. So you can see that tomorrow, for example, it's going to make these 3 posts. Okay. And as you keep adding more content into the queue, it's just all going to get scheduled out for you so that you can basically automate all of your marketing on Threads, and you can schedule these posts to be posted. Even if you go on holidays, they'll still keep popping up on your Threads profile, driving traffic for you. So that's it, guys. You now have the whole plan. You know what it takes to get to $20,000 a month or more, how to find the niche, which traffic platform to use, how to set up your profile, how to create content. You've got all of that information. And if you guys are serious about making money and getting traffic from social media, you can go to fastervideos.com. If you guys found it useful, then please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And here now you've got 2 options. You can download my guide on how to make money with AI videos, or you can watch this next video that's going to show you another way to make money with AI. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.